All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Dogecoin community. I gave you guys an update just a few hours ago, but wanted to bring you guys yet again another update because, of course, this right here is breaking news and is worthwhile noting and obviously making a coverage on. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you're enjoying these Dogecoin updates, smash that like button. But looking across the board, guys, as we are going into Tuesday morning, you are seeing once again a lot of green across the board. So, we've pretty much been maintaining, the momentum that we have seen over the course of the last few hours. And yet again, as of recording this update, Bitcoin was able to briefly go past a new all-time high, which in return has given a little bit more steam to some of these altcoins. And what has happened with the dominance compared to the last few hours is that the dominance did see a little bit of a downside, which of course gave the likes of Dogecoin and some of these other coins to pump up even more. Dogecoin is up 46.5% over the course of the last 24 hours. So since our last update, it has gone up an additional 20%. Price is currently sitting above 40 cents. I cannot believe what we're looking at right now. And this is all due to, of course, Elon Musk talking publicly at the likes of Trump rallies and, supporting Dogecoin and actually mentioning, that he's making Doge, jokes. And of course, he likes dogs and of course memes. And that itself has brought in a lot of interest into Dogecoin itself. And, with a $61 billion market valuation for a project, is it hard to say that, we are not going to see, an ETF potentially? Again, could an ETF already be in play? But what a move, guys. Dogecoin currently, as of recording this update, going into Tuesday morning, is currently sitting at 41.43 cents, also up 34% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap is at $61 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume through the roof at 32.5 billion. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the entire market valuation for the entire meme coin market cap combined, it's at 122 billion. So since our last update, you could say pretty much an additional $12 billion has flown into, the meme coin market. And a major, driving force of that is none other than Dogecoin itself. Usually when you're looking at the trending meme coins, it's like small meme coins, small cap. But you're looking at Dogecoin being up there in terms of trending. People are searching about it, massive amount of interest coming in towards the likes of Doge, and hence you are seeing a massive amounts of upside for the entire meme coin category itself. What Dogecoin has been able to do right now is absolutely crazy to think about, which of course I'm going to tell you guys. But before that, let's take a look at what's happening with the dominance index. And what's really crazy to think about is what we saw at the beginning of the year looks like peanuts compared to what we're seeing right now in terms of growth, in terms of the excitement. And that just tells you everything you need to know. And dominance isn't even close to where we were at the beginning of the year. Dominance was much lower at the beginning of the year. So imagine this type of momentum with that type of, so with this type of momentum, with that type of dominance, we would have seen much higher prices compared to what we have seen right now. So that just tells you how big of a move this really is for the likes of Dogecoin and some of these other coins. But you have seen the dominance pull down a little bit. And Bitcoin, look at this for yourself, guys. Bitcoin has cracked past a new all-time high, made its way up to $90,000. You've heard that correct, guys. A $90,000 Bitcoin. Absolutely crazy to think about. Since the U.S. election has come to a conclusion, Bitcoin has been on an absolute tear. A lot of retail interest, along with, of course, institutional interest that was already there during the past few months, but tells you everything you need to know. But, Bitcoin push a little bit towards the upside, and dominance going down has, given Dogecoin even more of a push, to move towards the upside. So look at this for yourself, guys. Of course, we were sitting at, the 61.8 in the last update, and I said if we are able to close in the 61.8 fib zone, and with the volume that we're seeing, this rejection, with this retest might be retested, this resistance, which of course we haven't retested since August of 2021. So 3 years ago, more than 3 years ago. And you can see this for yourself. If I were to bring out the hourly time frame for you guys to give you guys a little bit of a better visual as to what we're really looking at, it will make more sense. So let me shift to the hourly. Here we are. So we literally just smashed past that key resistance. Actually, we did see a little bit of a rejection, but the volume was just too much. And looking at the volume, guys, look at this $32.5 billion. And Dogecoin has left people completely speechless right now. You are seeing a Doge reaching 42.2 cents just a few hours ago, and what you're looking at is the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time since June. And we're pretty much clear to, I think, go up to the 44 cents price point and even enter the 38.2. Are we about to see history being made for Dogecoin, for Doge to really just go into the 23.6 and smash past an all-time high, hit $1? Are we seeing institutional interest coming in this time around for Dogecoin? Because this move right here is not small money. What we need to understand is this is a big move, and it is played by big money. Is Tesla buying Dogecoin? We have seen Tesla buy Bitcoin before. Is Tesla actually adding Dogecoin within to their portfolios? Again, these are speculation that are happening right now, and good speculation to be having, because like I said, even though there is a lot of interest for the market, but again, Dogecoin is a big project. It is a massive, massive project in the crypto space, and it's currently ranked in the top 6 spot. And if you want to put this into perspective, just this month alone, let's go to this month, guys. November 1st. Where are we? So November 1st, let's just say November 2nd, 14 cents all the way up to the likes of where we are. That's a 200% move for, one of the biggest assets in the crypto space, which of course is Dogecoin. This is crazy to think about, and I'm very confident this right here is due to some big money coming into the business. Are we seeing the likes of Elon Musk actually picking up Dogecoin? Are we going to see Elon Musk coming publicly and announcing that? And again, if you're thinking that right now, if these are some conversations that are taking place within the crypto space, those are not wrong conversations to be having. Because like I said, this type of move, even though Bitcoin has gone up, look at it on the weekly time frame, you are seeing the broader market going up, but we're talking about one of the biggest coins in the crypto markets up this much. So this does need to obviously, be questioned whether or not we are seeing, major amounts of money flowing into Dogecoin. The likes of, big companies like Tesla finally seeing a potential, or even X. X is owned by Elon Musk. So is he finally going to integrate that? Since Elon Musk took over X, that's been the speculation, because people earn off of X now. They, give revenue to people that have subscribed to the official content page. Obviously, you have to pay a subscription for that to be verified. And if you obviously engage on Twitter, you do get some sort of revenue that you can earn off of X. So are we going to see them replace that with Dogecoin, to start paying with Doge? Those are some questions that are being asked, but this move is absolutely crazy. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Have some stop losses in place just in case, but this move that we're seeing right now, I think we could actually see a history being making, and we could honestly see $1 price point. And those are some targets that are not even unrealistic at this point. In order for Dogecoin to hit $1, that's $146 billion in terms of market cap. And who are we to say that won't be a possibility? Because the all-time high for Doge was at 73.9 cents. So again, this bull cycle, guys, we could see anything happen at that point, but be very cautious. Don't get greedy, especially to the people that have been picking up Dogecoin over the course of the last, few years at, complete cheap prices. Those are the ones that are, completely, I'm sure, jumping around and, being super excited. Lock those profits in, of course. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.